Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be doing this video for you guys. It's my first cloth and paper box. I have not even opened it. I just received it right now on the mail, and I was really excited, and I decided to do an unboxing, first impressions, thoughts, and talk to you guys a little bit about cloth and paper, in my opinion. So I've always used other types of planners. At the moment I'm using Hobonichi, Stylogy, and I'm using Rings Personal White, but I've never used a A5 size. So today I have here my A5 size Ring planner, and I've never used it this size, so we're gonna test it out and see if I like it, if it's something that I'm going to be doing moving forward, if this is going to be like my everyday carry. So I'm just going to show you really quick. It's just a simple A5 ring planner. I already have a couple of things here. I have my dividers already in place, and I have a few things from my shop, and I have a little bit of setup as far as you can see. But I'm excited because we're going to be setting it up today with cloth and paper. So let's go ahead and jump here. So if you guys want to see what's inside my box, how I set up an A5 planner, and my thoughts and everything, all you have to do is let's go ahead and keep on watching. Love how they package everything. So I'm just turn off. Let me just take this. Let me zoom out. Okay. So we have first, as you can see, this beautiful package. Cross this off your list, your order has arrived. This is pretty cool. I like this. Then you have your packaging slip, and then you have your thank you code. And this is cute. I've seen a lot of people use this on their planner, so of course. This is very pretty. This is the 2020 collection. So first thing is first, I order some of the flags. The only color they had available was dusk and nude. Then we have the Cloth and Paper 2020 dashboard. We have whatever you do for work or play, do with passion. I order some monthly expenses. I have some note paper because I love taking notes. Purchase tracker, because the main reason why I want this planner is to help me budget and keep track of my finances. Then we have this is the 2020 dated monthlies. And then we have the 2020 weekly inserts. And then last but not least, we have the dailies. I think this is the dailies. Yeah, this is the 2020 dailies. So I pretty much ordered the essentials I needed to set up my A5. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna bring this. So we're gonna start my inbox. Okay, so here I'm just gonna go ahead and do a fast forward because all I'm doing is pretty much opening up all packaging and putting everything together. So I pretty much started, of course, with monthly. I feel like it'll change as my time goes by. I feel like it'll change. Maybe I'll do monthly later or a little bit like further in the back. But so I just started kind of putting, I think I went with monthly, weeklies, and then I went with dailies. But I saw that it's a lot of paper, like it's a lot of paper stack. So what I did is we're in March already, we're mid-March. So what I did was with everything, I went back and took out everything that was prior to March 15th and just kind of removed it. So as you can see, I removed think these are the dailies, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, so I just kind of removed everything that was prior to March, and I left everything else because I saw that it was getting too chunky and my rings are not as wide enough for everything, and I still have things that I want to add, of course. So here I'm just laying them out kind of how I think I'm going to be using them throughout my planner. I'm thinking monthly, weekly, daily, probably my financial inserts, and also I'm also missing the top tab that I just purchased. I just placed an order today. When they came in stock, I purchased the top tab in the mauve pink, and the top tabs are going to be pretty much for like current day and current week, and maybe to separate my finances in the back. So yeah, here you see me kind of just flipping through it, kind of making sure that everything kind of just works and flows together. You already know how it is when you're just setting up your planner. You go back and forth between inserts and dashboards and pockets and whatnot until you find what really works for you. As you see in the back, I normally leave my notes in the back, but I feel like I'm going to transition the notes to the front part of the planner, since I normally like to kind of go in my planner and write a little bit of like ideas and stuff, so I feel like that's going to be in the front, but we'll see. So here I'm just using everything that came in the box. This is just a pretty picture, and I've seen everyone use it in their planners, so I would go ahead and hole punched it and just put it there. I just thought it would look cute. And then these little pocket frosted dashboards are actually coming to my shop. I'm going to start doing pre-orders for these on A5 rings only at the moment on Monday. So if you're interested on getting these, we'll have pre-orders, and they will ship 2 weeks after the pre-order date, which is going to be on Monday. So yeah, there we go, guys. This is just pretty much my setup at the moment. I put those clear mauve pink notepads, so just a little flip through. I still have to add a couple of things, but this is just very minimal. This is just what works for you. I feel like if it's your first time and you're starting out and you don't know how to start, where to start, I feel like this is it. Just buy yourself some dividers. I'm going to link everything down below. You get yourself some dividers, get yourself some inserts, and then just put it in your planner, and then that's it. That's all you have to do, honestly. I recommend getting monthlies, weeklies, dailies, trackers, any sort of trackers, and of course note paper. Those are the ones that you're going to use the most, and everything else is just deco, so you can just go and get as you go. As you can see, you're going to see me put this dashboard that is coming on Monday to the shop. I love it. It's just so minimal and so simple, and just kind of playing with the setup. But I feel like don't put too much thought into it. Just have fun, and trust me, it'll flow. It'll flow. Just make sure that the planner is you. It is what you're going to use every single day. Don't worry about what you see on Instagram, and just have fun, guys. So this is just the last touches I'm putting on it. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will leave everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.